Namaste students. Today I am going to teach you subject General Science. In General Science, we will study the next part of chapter 6, composition of matter. Types of mixtures. First, here we will study here activity. Take 3 beakers. Take a little sand and water in the first beaker. Take some crystals of blue vitriol and water in the second beaker. Take some blue vitriol and sand in the third beaker. Stir the material in all the 3 beakers and observe. If such materials are available in your home, then you have to do the activity under the supervision of your parents. The part of matter having uniform composition is called a phase. When all the components of mixture form one phase, it is a homogeneous mixture. When the components of mixtures are distributed into 2 or more phases, it is called a heterogeneous mixture. Activity. Take 3 beakers. Take 10 gram of common salt in the first beaker, 10 gram of sawdust in the second beaker, and 10 ml of milk in the third beaker. Add 100 ml of water to all 3 beakers and stir. Which of the mixture shows a separate water phase? Place the 3 beakers in front of vertically held paper and pass a laser beam through beakers from the opposite side. Use the laser beam under the guidance of your teacher. At the same time, observe what appears on the paper in front of the beaker. Also look at the beaker from the side. RH3 filtration as well as using conical flask, funnel and filter paper for doing filtration. Stir the mixture in the 3 beakers and carry out filtration. Record all the observation in the following table. Molecular formula and valency. There is a definite proportion of the constituent elements in a compound. Certain number of the atoms of the constituent elements are joined to each other in a molecule of a compound. Molecular formula indicates the number of atoms of each of the constituent elements present in the molecule of the compound. A molecular formula includes the information regarding to the symbol of all the constituent elements and their respective numbers as the subscripts. Here is one example. When hydrogen react with chlorine to form hydrochloric acid, hydrogen have 1 electron and chlorine, in chlorine atom there are 17 electron. Only 1 electron required to fulfill the outermost or to complete the outermost orbit, and therefore this reaction takes place between hydrogen and chlorine. Hydrogen ready to give 1 electron and chlorine is ready to accept 1 electron, and therefore hydrochloric acid is formed. Valency of hydrogen and chlorine is 1. A homogeneous mixture of 2 or more substances is called a solution. The component of a solution which is present in the largest proportion is called a solvent. The other components which are in less proportion than the solvent are called solutes. The process of forming a solution by mixing solutes in a solvent is called a dissolution. Types of solutions. 1. Solid in liquid. The solutions such as seawater, blue vitriol dissolved in water, salt dissolved in water, sugar syrup are of the type of solid in liquid. Second, liquid in liquid. Example, vinegar and dilute sulfuric acid. When we add concentrate sulfuric acid in water to form a dilute sulfuric acid. Third, gas in gas. Air. Example is air. Air contains many gases present as oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, all these and other inert gases also present in air. 4. Solid in solid. Alloy like brass, steel, stainless steel. These are examples of solid in solid. Gas in liquid. Chlorinated water and hydrochloric acid. These are examples of gas in liquid. Suspension. In the second beaker in above activity, a heterogeneous mixture of water and sawdust was formed. It is a mixture of a liquid and a solid. Heterogeneous mixture of a liquid and a solid is called a suspension. Collide. The mixture of water and milk in third beaker in above activity is a transcoolant. It means that when light is incident on the surface of mixture, it is partially transmitted and is partially scattered. This is because the tiny particles of milk phase in this heterogeneous mixture are disappear evenly in the water phase, and the diameter of these particles is around 10 raised to minus meter. Such a heterogeneous mixture is called a collide. Let us understand compounds. Take 2 evaporated dishes. Take 7 gram iron fillings in the first dish and 4 gram sulfur in the second. Take a horseshoe magnet near the matter in both the dishes and observe. Transfer the entire iron fillings from the first dish to the second. Stir with a glass rod and observe by taking the horseshoe magnet near the matter. Also observe the color of matter. Now heat the matter in the second dish for a while and let it cool. Observe the color change, if any, in the matter and observe whether there is any effect of horseshoe magnet on it. Record all the observation in the following table. See this table. Action, color of the matter, effect of horseshoe magnet, iron fillings and sulfur were mixed in a dish. Color of matter, yellow and blackish. Effect of horseshoe magnet, iron fillings stick to the magnet. Iron fillings and sulfur in the dish were heated together. The color is blackish. Substances do not stick to the magnet. Why this happen? Because when iron and sulfur heated together in dish, iron and sulfur loses their property and another property substance is formed, and therefore it does not stick to the magnet. Thank you for watching this video.